Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can change your Instagram story background. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Alright, so sometimes when you are actually posting your IG stories, right, especially with a picture, and you're thinking of like changing the background color of your IG story, how do we actually do that? Because most of the time, the background color is sort of like already preset. Yeah, it's already preset based on the pictures that you uploaded. Okay, so this is what I meant, right? If I go to my story and if I choose one picture, okay, so this picture, because of like the original picture, the bold color is like white color. So that's where my IG story, the background color has been preset. Yeah, has been set to white color. So if I change to another one like this banner, okay, and if you can see, this banner is having some blue color right there. So my background is actually a combination of like white and also blue. And if I go to my cat picture, meow meow. So you can see that this color, because of the floor color, so it actually changed to like black color, gray or black color. Okay, so in a way that the IG story background is actually following the pictures that you uploaded, the tone and the colors of the picture. Okay, but how do we actually completely change the background color from here? Yeah, so I'm going to share with you two methods, so you see which method is actually more suitable for you. All right, so I'm going to use back to my food color. Okay, so food picture. And over right here, first of all, this is where you go, right? After you select the picture, you go to your top right. Yeah, top right. The second icons from the right. Yeah, second icon from the right. This is the one, okay, with the line right there. So click on that and ensure that you choose the first icon, yeah, the the pen with a tip right there. So that is the one that we're going to select. And then, so over right here, you'll be able to see that at the bottom, there will be a lot of like color plates and color options for you to choose. All right, so if you swipe to the right, you can see different colors right there. And if you click on one color, okay, if you click on one colors right there, and if you actually just hold on to the tip and then you just move right, you can actually see that the color actually changes right there. Okay, the color actually changes from there also. So let me just change to a red color. Yeah, so this is what you do. Okay, right after you click on the colors, right, this is what you do. Yeah, so just see from my screen from here. All right, so this is what you do. You just press on your picture and hold it. Yeah, you just press and then you hold it, and then you can see that the whole screen actually will change to the color that you selected from that. All right, so this is where on how you can actually change the background. So then right after that, this is what you're going to do. We are going to adjust the picture, okay, because right now your pictures is actually underneath. Yeah, it's hidden below our colors right here. So you can actually use the right icons right there, which is the eraser icon, and you can actually adjust the size of your eraser, and you can just erase out the section of the picture. Just now I placed the picture in the middle, right? So I can just do like this, dun, 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 yeah. So depends on like your sense of art. So my sense of art is like like that. All right, so in a way, you can actually go with like a very straight line, or you can just do whatever design that you prefer. Okay, so first of all, let's say that's it, right? That I would like to just set my picture like this. So I just click on done, and this is how it goes, right? So you can still adjust Okay, you can still adjust the size of your picture by zooming in and zooming out. Yeah, or you just want to like change to different area, you can do so as well. All right, and if you realize, right, the picture is actually below the color. Okay, below the color background. Yeah, so this gives you a slightly different feeling for your IG background story. Yeah, so this is the first method that I'm going to share with you on how you can actually change this. All right. Now, second method is, right. So let's say you're thinking of like Zevin, we would like to have like the traditional way whereby the picture is actually on top of the background, right? Just now it's actually below. So how do we do on top? Yep. So same thing. We are going to change. Choose the picture again. Okay. So same steps. Yeah. We are going to go to the top right icon, the second icon from your right. And same thing, make sure that you selected the tip icon on the first icons on the left. And I'm going to change a different color. Okay, I'm going to use the blue color. Same thing again, I'm going to click hold. Alright, so the whole screen will change to a blue color. But right now, we are not going to erase the picture. Okay, so we are going to remain the whole screen as blue. And what are we going to do is that you are going to go to your image library and we're going to copy this image. Okay, so be it if you're using Android phone or iPhones, right, you just need to click on the image and then go to copy image. All right, click into the image or copy of the image. Yeah, so the step might be slightly different if you're using Android. All right, so this is how after I copy, right, you need to go back to your IG. Yeah, so go back to your IG, and this is the moment that you can see the pictures actually show. Okay, and you need to be very, very fast, very, very quick. And because like just now when the picture is showing up, right, and if I didn't click, the image will disappear. So I can't actually add the pictures to my screens anymore. So right now, I will actually need to go back to my pictures again. And then I'm going to just click on copy. And I'm going to go back to my IG. And when that pop up, right, add sticker, very quickly, you just click add. Okay, you just click on the image and it will be added. And over right here, you can't move the pictures right there. Yeah, it will just shows that the picture is right there. Yeah, but right after that, you just click on done. All right, and right now, if you can see, the picture is currently in the middle, right? And you can right now, as normal, as usual, you can just, enlarge and, zoom in, zoom out, or rotate the image from that. Okay, you can even do as like the normal text, and in the normal text right there. Yeah. Ooh. All right. So this is basically how two methods for you to actually change the background color. Yeah. So what if, right? What if like after you edited everything and you realize, hey, blue color doesn't look that nice, right? You will actually like to change the color right now. Okay. So same things. We are going to go back to the the icons and ensures that you are using the tip. And let's say I'm going to change to yellow. And same things, just click hold. Yeah, and right now if you can see, right, the background color, it won't overlap of your picture. Okay, so as long as you use the copy image method, your image and your picture will be actually above the background color. Yeah, so I think I like the I like the yellow color, so I will keep this. And that's all. Yeah, in this video that I would like to share with you a small tips on how you can actually change the background color from that. Alright, so if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And meanwhile, if you're successfully able to change your background color, remember to help us to leave a comment below and let us know. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.